Hi, I'm Susan. Today I'm excited to be participating in the Zero Trash to Treasure challenge hosted by Sandra of the Schwollens Nest and co-hosted by Anna of DIYs and Crafts with Anna. I adore and highly respect these ladies. They are so talented and amazing. Their channels are listed in the description box down below as well as the playlist. Please go check out Sandra and Anna's channel, as well as all the many talented creators on the playlist. You won't be disappointed. Today's challenge is to take something that doesn't cost you anything. You can repurpose, upcycle, do whatever you want as long as the original item doesn't cost you anything. So I got this at a Habitat for Humanity, well over a year ago, and I just painted it and used it as like a candle holder. So I decided to upcycle it, and I spray painted it with the hammered black spray paint, and now I'm using this wood round I got at Dollar Tree, and I'm just painting it with the Waverly chalk paint and ink. It only took one coat. Once everything was dry, I attempted to hot glue the round to the light fixture that I had repurposed, but my hot glue gun wasn't ready yet, so I started working with these flowers. I found these flowers at Walmart for 97 cents, and I just thought they were beautiful. I've been having a thing for the Gothic black and purple, black and red, black and purple. I think I can blame Indiana Jones for this because I've really been loving her crafts that she's been making with the flowers and the skeleton hands. So I had this long cylinder vase, and I just put the flowers down in there. And you could add fairy lights if you want to. I didn't have any, but I just glued the round into the bottom of the light fixture that I repurposed, and I just put a little bit of hot glue and put the cylinder on top of that with the flowers. Now I have more flowers left over, and if you want it permanent, you could hot glue them, or if I had some floral wire, I would have made a ring and just slid it over there. But they held pretty well with me just decorating them by laying them in there and just kind of tucking them in. But and I knew that I was going to repurpose this after Halloween. So I just cut the flowers and just tucked them around the little cylinder vase. I think they're beautiful. And here it is. Isn't that pretty? I love the red and the purple and black. And I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please hit that thumbs up. Leave me a comment. Subscribe if you hadn't. And until next time, bye.